present the Adin Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award our PMPC President, Mel Navarro, and past presidents, Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat sa PMPC. Alam niyo, nung unang panahon, nung bata pa si Eva, no, actually, we used to cover, when I was still with TV Patrol, Star News, we used to cover itong awards na ito. Talagang, ang Star Awards, every year talaga present kami. Little did I know back then that I would be a recipient of this Lifetime Achievement Award. No, really, truly, I am so touched to the core. Maraming salamat PMPC. Maraming salamat po sa maraming taong nakasama ko sa mga nakalipas na taon. Actually, the timing is just talagang God moves in mysterious ways. This is my 40th year in the industry. So talagang perfect timing, ang galing talaga. And ang dami kong mga nakasama, mga naging mentors, yung mga co-anchors ko, sila Tita Mel, Kuya Noli, the late Kiko. And then when I moved on to Action 9, ang mga barakong sina Ray Longit, si Tito Montulfo, the late Dong Puno, and so many others have been my instruments, also my inspiration. And now I've been with PTV for the last 8 years. I'm thankful to the management, thankful to our new GM, who's a friend, who's Malu. And I hope to continue doing the things that I love to do. My passion for broadcasting, sana magpatuloy pa rin sa awa ni Lord. And I thank Him. Of course, I thank my family. I thank my co-workers, those who come in and day out. Bumabagyo, bumabaha. Kasama ko sila sa Centro Balita at sa in-person. To my audience who followed me for 4 decades, to my friends, and of course, to the Lord, for all His blessings, many of which are not deserved. But thank you, Lord. This is for your greater glory, AMDG, ad maiorem Dei Gloriam. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, BNP.